Transfigure us, O Lord, transfigure us, O Lord. Break the chains that bind us, speak your healing word, and where you lead we'll follow. Transfigure us, O Lord. Light for those in darkness, the hungry have their fill. Glad tidings for the humble.